Prop Defender. Join the propeller revolution. Prop Defender is a new solution designed to engineer a non-stick coating on propellers and running gear to keep them free from marine fouling. The solution is supplied as a comprehensive kit containing all parts to assist with the application, which is simple and easy for both owners and professionals. Fouled propellers quickly lose efficiency, dramatically affect performance and increase fuel consumption. Propellers force through large volumes of water, causing great turbulence. Prop Defender has been designed to tenaciously adhere even under these extreme conditions. Prop Defender does not use or need aggressive primers. Uniquely, the kits are completely free of toxins, solvents, VOC and biocides and will not affect the water or marine environment. Prop Defender can be delivered direct in the normal mail, passing on big savings to captains and owners. The 400 milliliter kit will treat nearly 9 square feet of propeller and stern gear surface, and at less than £50 including VAT and UK mainland delivery, will pay for itself in fuel savings alone in a few weeks or months. The finished coat is glass reinforced for toughness, and the clear gleaming appearance gives a super glossy finish for lasting propeller protection. Prop Defender can be applied with confidence on stainless steel, Nibral, bronze and aluminium. Designed to last, the coating creates a super slippy surface to which marine growth simply cannot adhere and is flushed off by propeller revolution.